Welcome to Beauty Ash. Today I will be going over the Empress Color press-on nails. I purchased these from Walmart for $5.94. And with this box, it's actually giving instructions on the back on how to apply the nails, which is pretty easy to do. I'm just going to take the nails out. My hands are super dry as well, but I need to show you each nail have a little tab on it that you're going to peel off. And let's just go ahead and dump the nails out and just separate. I'm going to just size up each nail to make sure they fit properly. There's no space on the side. You want to make sure you have a snug fit with the nails. And with these nails, the good part is it shows that it's a gel nail breakthrough, which is a one-step gel manicure. So it definitely looks like this is a full set, that you just got your nails done and it's nothing else that needs to be done once, you apply all of the nails. So we're just going to grab all of the nails and put them to the side. And I'm pulling off the tab and I'm going to apply the nail glue. Now the nail glue is not included with the kit. I normally include it because it actually lasts longer. I would say about 2 to 3 weeks with the nail glue. I typically don't just use it with just a tab. I like that, definite. I don't want a nail to pop off or get loose, so I always just like to use the nail glue as well. And when you're applying the nail glue, you want to make sure that you're not using too much, because then the nail will get stuck to your finger and then it will definitely take away the gloss on the nail. And you want to definitely, like I said, take your time with this process, because the more the nail actually fits on the finger, the more realistic it looks, as if, this is acrylic or gel nails that you have on your fingers. I'm just applying the glue just a little bit, not too much. And you want to hold it for about 3 to 5 seconds. And I just go over the nails just to make sure the nail isn't loose. Pulling the tab off. Apply the glue. You can get the glue at any Walmart, Walgreens, I believe Dollar Tree. Any of the nail glue pretty much would work for you. Alright, and I'm just going to go ahead and finish up my right hand. This is a very simple process. And typically when I wear these, I normally get asked, are those gel nails? And they are, again, intended to have that gel nail look. And the gloss and shine on them is so nice. I really like them. And I always get compliments whenever I wear this color. I actually wore this twice, these sets of nails, when I was in Disney, and then I wore them again once I got back. But I'm just typing and playing around just so you all can see how nice and manicured the fingers look. Thank you all so much for watching. Again, these lasted for about 2 weeks. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. You all be blessed. Thank you.